Hi, do you have a Frigidaire or dishwasher with some lights flashing? Depending on what lights are flashing indicates different problems. If your heat dry and your high temperature wash lights are flashing, then that typically indicates that there's been a power failure. Try turning it off for a few minutes, either at the breaker or unplugging it under the sink, and see if it'll reset it that way. If your cycle light, option light, and washing lights are blinking, then that typically indicates that the door is open or that the door sensor is bad. In the case of this dishwasher here, I was able to push the door closed several times and finally had to push it closed really hard, and that finally got it going. But sometimes the door sensor is actually bad and needs to be replaced. Another thing you can do is run a self-test, and you do that by holding the high temperature wash button and the start/cancel button for about 6 seconds, and that'll start a self-test where it will test the different functions in the different parts of the dishwasher. So those are some things you might try. I hope this information is helpful to you. I really appreciate you watching this video. Have a great day.